As God favored Israel and forgave them, can He restore us? What are His conditions? Let's look at Psalm 85. Did God show favor to His land and forgive His people? You, Lord, showed favor to your land. You restored the fortunes of Jacob. You forgave the iniquity of your people and covered all their sins. You set aside all your wrath and turned from your fierce anger. Do we pray for God to restore us in His mercy and grant us both salvation from earthly troubles and eternal salvation? Restore us, O God, of our salvation, and cause your anger toward us to cease. Will you be angry with us forever? Will you prolong your anger to all generations? Will you not revive us again, that your people may rejoice in you? Show us your mercy, Lord, and grant us your salvation. Are faithfulness and fear of God two conditions for God's salvation? I listen carefully to what God the Lord is saying, for He speaks peace to His faithful people. But let them not return to their foolish ways. Surely His salvation is near to those who fear Him, so our land will be filled with His glory. Are mercy, truth, righteousness, and peace characteristics of God? Mercy and truth meet together. Righteousness and peace have kissed each other. Truth springs out of the earth. Righteousness has looked down from heaven. Yes, Yahweh will give that which is good. Our land will yield its increase. Righteousness goes before Him and prepares the way for His steps. Though all kinds of men have wanted to lead us, have we returned to the true shepherd of our souls? Though you were like straying sheep, you've now returned to the shepherd and guardian of your lives. As God favored Israel and forgave them, can He restore us? What are His conditions? You decide.